Al Pacino, it's water, black Camino.
Alongside the big bad sound killing machine, I'm called Al Pacino. You know it go? Hey yo, Barry Summon, legend. Some son boy tell this to Redz. You know it go? Slow them. Al Pacino tell them.
Better leave it like that, boy.
Big bad tune we use kill sound.
But the clash is getting so rough. Whoa, now.
Like fire.
You better like that one.
Sound the alarm.
Hold this one little shot.
Big tune play a lot.
Kill them on the spot.
I'm telling you, Al Pacino tell them a rebel time under the bass and treble time, son. Boy, you gonna lose them bet. Yeah, I see the shine now with this sound killing time, son. Boy, you gonna lose them breath. Oh, I under the way Tina play them tonight. Have them running in fright. None for them a run and fret. Oh yes, and as the night does progress, Gina killing them right. Under him romances. Oh yes, Gina kill sound under no contest. Al Pacino.
Oh, gosh, me say one more joke.
Al Pacino music is the #1 sound in the world. The universe, the galaxy. Al Pacino, big up. Christopher Ellis speaking. The singing wizard. The Chinos, big up. The twins, Ace and Asha. And bless up Malachi. Mountain View, Vidyard. But guess what? We are international. Kick it. Ha! Al Pacino music, big up. Oh, where now. Al Pacino, I said you are the best. You are the best. Oh, we love you so. Yes, they do. Al Pacino music. 1, 2, 3. Ha! Hey, love when Al Pacino plays. Big songs all night and day. And this is sound about that same way. Pacino music is the #1 sound in the world. The universe, the galaxy. Al Pacino, big up. Christopher Ellis speaking. The singing wizard. The Chinos, big up. The twins, Ace and Asha. And bless up Malachi. Mountain View, Vidyard. But guess what? We are international. Kick it. Ha! Al Pacino music, big up. Oh, where now. Al Pacino, I said you are the best. You are the best. Oh, they love you so. Yes, they do. Al Pacino music. 1, 2, 3. Ha! Yeah. Love when Al Pacino plays. Big song.
Come, chip out. Hey, top driver, chip out.
I tell you one.
I tell you what to do, man. No worries.
Christopher Ellis, no long. Al Pacino music. Christopher Ellis, no long talking. Deadly. Yeah. The singing wizard. Yours truly, yours sincerely. Are we invent reggae music? Yeah. Al Pacino music. The Chinos, big up. Ace and Asha. Malachi. Look. Al Pacino music and play dancer, plus rubber dub for you. Al Pacino music, we won't stall at all. We know just what to do. We play enough dub for you. Enough dub for you. We play enough dub for you. And couple alt and two. Look at some sound only wait for sound clash to start play one drop tunes. Then they play the songs too fast, so they dub them sound like chipmunk tunes. We play enough dub for you. We do enough dub for you. Al Pacino play enough dub for you. That is what we do. Look, anytime my sound play, you cannot compete. Tell you about it. And anytime my sound play, you're going to lose your cheek. Sound boy, we got you. touch, we touch. Yeah, this is Green Season from August representing for the big bad sound Al Pacino music is a mess. DJ Al Pacino, big up yourself, you don't know, strong up, murder time.